Monstera soil mix recipe for healthy growth. Have you ever wondered why some Monstera plants grow large, healthy leaves, while others grow slowly, even with good light and watering? One of the biggest factors is often the soil. Many beginners think Monstera only needs regular potting soil, but this tropical plant has special root needs. Monstera roots need a balance of moisture and airflow. Soil that is too heavy can hold too much water and increase the risk of root problems, while soil that drains too quickly may not provide enough moisture for healthy growth. So, what is the best soil mix for Monstera? In this video, we'll share a simple Monstera soil mix recipe, explain what each ingredient does, and show you how to create the ideal environment for strong roots and healthy growth. Number 1. Why the right soil mix matters for Monstera. Monstera naturally grows in tropical forests where its roots receive moisture, nutrients, and plenty of airflow. This means indoor Monstera plants do best in soil that is well-draining, airy and loose, able to hold some moisture, rich enough to support growth. The goal is to create a soil mix that keeps roots healthy. Healthy roots help your Monstera produce strong stems, larger leaves, faster growth, better resistance to stress. Number 2. What makes a good Monstera soil mix? A good Monstera soil mix usually contains 3 important elements. Moisture retention. The soil should hold enough water for the roots to absorb moisture. Drainage. Extra water should leave the pot easily. Airflow. Roots need oxygen to stay healthy. A balanced mix combines different materials to create all 3 conditions. Number 3. Monstera soil mix recipe. A simple beginner-friendly Monstera soil mix recipe includes 40% high-quality potting soil, 30% orchid bark, 20% perlite, 10% cocoa coir or peat moss. This combination creates a light and airy mix that supports healthy root development. You can adjust the ratio depending on your indoor environment. Number 4. Potting soil, the base ingredient. Potting soil provides the foundation of the mix. It helps hold moisture, provide nutrients, support root growth. Choose a quality indoor potting mix that is light and not too compact. Avoid using garden soil because it is often too dense for indoor Monstera plants. Garden soil can hold too much water, reduce airflow, introduce pests or diseases. Number 5. Orchid bark. Improve airflow. Orchid bark is one of the most useful ingredients for Monstera soil. It creates spaces between soil particles, allowing roots to breathe. Benefits include better airflow, improved soil structure, a more natural tropical environment. Because Monstera belongs to the aroid family, it benefits from a chunky soil mix with materials like bark. Number 6. Perlite. Improve drainage. Perlite is a lightweight material that helps prevent soil from becoming too dense. It improves drainage, root oxygen, soil texture. Adding perlite helps excess water move away from the roots, reducing the chance of overwatering problems. Number 7. Cocoa coir or peat moss. Hold moisture. Cocoa coir and peat moss help the soil retain moisture without becoming heavy. They allow the roots to access water while keeping the mix more balanced. However, these materials should not be used alone because they can hold too much moisture. They work best when combined with drainage materials like perlite and orchid bark. Number 8. How to mix your Monstera soil. Creating your soil mix is simple. Step 1. Prepare all ingredients and choose a clean container. Step 2. Measure the ingredients using the recommended ratio. Step 3. Mix everything evenly until the materials are well combined. Step 4. Check the texture. A good Monstera mix should feel loose, light, slightly chunky, not heavy or muddy. When you squeeze the soil, it should hold together slightly but easily break apart. Number 9. Signs your Monstera soil mix is not working. Your soil may need adjustment if you notice. Soil staying wet too long. This may mean the mix does not drain well enough. Yellow leaves. Poor soil conditions can affect root health and nutrient absorption. Slow growth. Compacted soil can prevent roots from expanding. Bad smell from the soil. A sour smell may indicate excess moisture and unhealthy roots. 10. Adjusting the soil mix for your home. Every indoor environment is different. If your home has high humidity, add more drainage materials like orchid bark, perlite. If your home is dry, you may use slightly more moisture-retaining materials. If your Monstera receives lower light, use a well-draining mix because the plant will use water more slowly. The best soil mix is the one that matches your growing conditions. Common Monstera soil mix mistakes. Avoid these mistakes. using only regular potting soil. It may become too compact over time. Using too much coco coir or peat moss. The mix may stay wet for too long. Using only bark or perlite. The plant may not receive enough moisture and nutrients. Forgetting drainage holes. Even the best soil mix needs a pot that allows excess water to escape. Conclusion. Creating the right Monstera soil mix is one of the best ways to support healthy growth. A good mix should provide moisture, drainage, airflow, nutrients. A simple recipe with potting soil, orchid bark, perlite, and coco coir can create an excellent environment for your Monstera roots. When the roots are healthy, your plant will have a stronger foundation for producing beautiful leaves and continued growth. Thank you for watching Plants Every Day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple indoor plant care tips. Be sure to explore our Monstera soil and pot care and Monstera plant care guide playlists for more easy guides on growing healthy indoor plants. See you in the next video. Happy growing.